So the green flash occurs when the sun is setting. So if we are looking to the west at a not at all dusty horizon, this is an important point. For example, the horizon over an ocean. And let's stop the sun right at that point. And you can imagine that little sliver of light coming towards you, and I'm going to model that sliver as a little rectangle. It turns out that the atmosphere not only refracts light, it also disperses light. So that little sliver of sunlight that is traveling towards you is actually being broken down into a series of different wavelengths. So you can imagine now, instead of this skinny white sliver of light traveling toward you, you can imagine a much wider band that has all of the colors in the rainbow traveling towards you. Now, at a certain point, the blue and the violet wavelengths are bent too much, and they are actually below your line of sight. So you can see over here on the right that they have disappeared. And what color the sun will look like then, we talked about colors in a previous unit, that tend to look yellow. And when these other wavelengths, the red, orange, and yellow, if they are not refracted enough, they go over your head. The only wavelengths that will get to your eyes are these green ones. And for a very short time, that little sliver of sunlight looks green. And that is what's called the green flash. The green flash is caused by the atmospheric dispersion of sunlight. Only a sliver of the sun is still visible. The blue and violet rays are refracted too much and hit the ground before reaching the observer. The red, orange, yellow rays aren't refracted enough and pass over the observer's line of sight. The green wavelengths are refracted just right, resulting in the ephemeral green flash. Because the many dust particles that are kicked up over land areas during the day block all wavelengths except oranges and reds, green flashes are most often seen over very wide expanses of water, i.e. oceans. Therefore, your chances of seeing a green flash in central Illinois, which is where I live, are slim to none. And I can say that I have never seen a green flash in person yet. Maybe I will someday. I thought I'd end this lesson with a green flash from the setting moon. How cool is that?